So finally, an affordable soundbar for your home entertainment. What's up guys, Triple M here, and today we're taking a look at one of the best budget soundbars that's available. This is the S9920 from Wohome. As far as the specs, it does have 80 watts, 6 built-in drivers, output is 105 decibel, and it has a ton of features and inputs that I know you guys will be interested in. So in this video, of course, we're going to do a quick unboxing, we're going to do a sound check, and we're going to see how it performs overall. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So big shout out to Wohome for sending this soundbar out to me. Now, even though this is a sponsor review, all the thoughts and opinions are of my own. So before we jump into the overview unboxing, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. I do a lot of cool videos on here, definitely a lot of tech reviews, different ways to cut the cable cord and save you money, a lot of streaming apps as well. So definitely hit that subscribe button. And if you guys are subscribed to the channel, I have a massive giveaway going down this Saturday. So make sure you subscribe, make sure your notification bell is hit, and good luck to everyone that's entered this drawing. So back to the soundbar. This is a S9920. I went ahead and took everything out of the box for you and just laid it out how it came in a package. So let's start at the right side. First thing that we have is our power brick, and this is a 19 volt 3.42 amp output, and this side plugs into the side of the brick, and then it goes into the wall, and of course this goes in the back of your soundbar. Next we have an optical audio cable, and this is very rare to see this with these systems, but good to have either way if your TV is supported. And we also have some instructional booklets, quick start guide, and that way you'll know everything you need to know before you go ahead and power this on. So we do have some mounting hardware as well as the anchors and screws to mount this on your wall if you guys decide to do so. So pretty straightforward, just clamps in, mount this on your wall, the speaker bar just drops in, and pretty easy to install if you ask me. Next we do have an adapter. Now this is a 3.5 to RCA adapter, allows you to plug in your device, whether it's an MP3 player, iPad, an iPhone, a phone, anything with a 3.5mm jack directly to the back of this soundbar. So we do have a wall mount template, and you can see the holes right there. Matches up with the brackets, as you can see. Flip it over and the holes just line up, and that way you can just mark your holes before you go ahead and start putting the holes in your wall. So very handy to have if you do decide to mount this on your wall. Now last but not least, we do have the remote control. Pretty nice remote, 2 AAA batteries, and we start up top. We do have the power button, we do have the mute, of course we do have the volume up, volume down, and the play pause in the middle. Below we do have Bluetooth, we have our optical audio, we also have RCA, auxiliary, and below we do have 3D, we do have SR1 and SR2, and as you can see on the side right there, these are different modes just to get the best performance out of this system. So the soundbar itself, you can see this is where you mount it on the wall. It also has the rubber legs on the bottom, and that's if you do decide to go ahead and just place it on top of the desk, it won't move around on you. As far as the finish, you can see it's nice and glossy. On the back you do have an on and off switch, you do have the power plug, USB port, you do have a 3.5mm jack, you do have your RCA jacks right there, you do have coaxial, and you do have the optical audio on the end. Then this part just kind of pops out, and you can plug in the cable that was provided in this package. Now as far as the mounting, like I said, this part just kind of slides up when it's on the wall, and nice and secure. That way you can just pull it off if you need to plug something else in. It's not tied to the wall. Now on the side you have your play pause, you have your volume down, volume up, you also have your power and mode button. Now it does change color, the LED, once you change the input. So green, you also have the white, you also have purple, and you do have the blue. Of course that's for Bluetooth. As far as connecting your device, select Bluetooth, it will start flashing. Then you go ahead and grab your phone, you look for the S9920, click on it, and that's how easy pairing is. Now at this point you guys are probably saying, let's see this thing in action. Well, here we go. So I just wanted to start off by saying this sound awesome in person. I know it doesn't do any justice doing it over the camera and the audio that has been degraded, but in person this is awesome. The voices are clear and it does pack a punch, guys. Now currently it's $109.99 on Amazon. I will be leaving a link in the description. However, I will also be leaving a 10% discount, which brings it under $100. So definitely, if you guys are in the market, this is a good option. This is a great value in my opinion. If you guys have any questions about this, drop them in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.